So we've got a very nice Range Rover, the L320 model, in with us today. This is not your sort of standard L320. It's been very modified in a very nice way, which is here. So I just thought it was worthy of doing a nice video. Basically on this one we've done our Apple CarPlay integration on this particular one. So I'll just quickly show you what you can expect on this particular version of Range Rover. So the way this obviously works, you're still retaining the original screen and the features. You just lose the navigation part of this particular system, and just to go in and out, you just hold into the navigation, and as you see, nice crisp screen there, which is obviously the original screen. So it's got a very good quality screen in these. It's just obviously the interface graphics weren't particularly great. Obviously full touch screen in here as it would be in the original one, and offers all the features that you would have on the modern CarPlay. So if you are interested in upgrading your earlier Range Rover Sport to Apple CarPlay, then please give us a call here at TTW on 01159 599 995.